Oh, T-Dog Nation! It is finally time for Season 1, Event 4, Main Event. These 8 lucky trucks have made their way to the Super Drop Main Event to see who will be the Main Event number 4 champ. So without further ado, let's get event number 4, main event, underway. Kicking off main event number 4 is Dairy Delivery taking on Bone Shaker. Now remember, these are all best of 3. Go! Good race! Race number 2, here we go. Dairy Delivery. And Bone Shaker gets 1 point added to his scorecard. Race number 2, we have Hotweiler versus the Mercedes-Benz Unimog. Go. Wow! Here we go. Wow! And the Mercedes-Benz gets 2 points added to their scorecard. Race number 3, we have Snakebite taking on Hwmt. Snakebite. Race 2, here we go. Snakebite again! And Hwmt gets 3 more points added to their scorecard. And ending off the round of 8 with the Land Rover Defender 90 versus the Ford Raptor. Ford Raptor. Race 2, here we go. Wow, Ford Raptor. And the Land Rover gets 4 more points added to their scorecard. The first truck in the contender round will be either Dairy Delivery or Hotweiler. What? Wow! And Hotweiler gets 5 more points added to their scorecard. And joining Dairy Delivery in the contender round will be either Snakebite or the Ford Raptor. Oh no! Our first tiebreaker. Here we go, our first tiebreaker of this event. Oh, Snakebite. And there goes the Ford Raptor. And the Ford Raptor gets 6 more points added to their scorecard. The contender round is here. Dairy Delivery versus Snakebite. The first truck to win 2 races will be main event number 4 winner. Race 1, here we go. Oh, what? It could be over right here, but it's not just yet. And main event number 4 winner and champion goes to... Okay, T-Dog Nation, I know what you guys are thinking, but that was a hard race to call. But I looked very closely back at the footage, and your main event number 4 winner and champion goes to Snakebite is your main event number 4 winner and champion. But congrats to Dairy Delivery, because he gets 7 points added to his scorecard, while Snakebite gets 8 points added to his scorecard. Alright, T-Dog Nation, there you go. The super drop for event 4 is now complete. And when we are halfway through our first monster truck season, because we have 4 more events to go, and event 5 is the big king of the hill. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you could please do me a big favor, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and ring that bell to never miss a single upload. And also, I am racing monster trucks over on my TikTok. Link will be in the description. Okay, guys, I will see you guys very soon for event number 5, the King of the Hill.